One of the most ideal yet most expensive vacation destination all over the world is Venice. Its bridges, canals, gondolas, and other historical attractions are enough to make a romantic swan. Still, there is more to the city that not everyone knows. Take these Venice facts as inspiration for your next week's vacation spot. Venice is a city in Veneto and is in the northeast region of Italy. The Italian name for Venice is Venezia. A total of a total of 118 islands make up the city of Venice. People believe that the city was sinking at 1 to 2 millimeters per year. As of January 2020, the population of Venice is 0.6 million. The total land area of Venice is 415.9 square kilometers. Venice follows the CEST time zone just like Verona. Of the numerous bridges in Venice, 72 of them are privately owned. Despite being spoken in Venice, the Venetian is not the Venice Tramway, a single rail tram, is a vehicle with both rubber tires and a single guide rail. The name of the first woman to earn a gondolier's license in Venice is Giorgia Boscolo. More than 450 palaces stand in Venice. A chief magistrate, which people call Doge of Venice, has led Venice for a thousand years. Venice stood as Europe's cultural and commercial link with Asia, making it the greatest seaport back in late medieval Europe. Along with its lagoon, Venice was recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Venice inspired the name of country of Venezuela. The first Venice newspaper sold for one gazzetta, compelling a lot of papers today to use the name Gazette. Caleta, the narrowest street in Venice, is also one of the narrowest in the world at 53 centimeters wide. Venetian folklore seals forever the love of couples who would do a gondola kiss when passing underneath each bridge. Venice is also called the city of canals. Other names for beautiful city are city of bridges, city of masks, city of water, the floating city, and queen of Adriatic. The name of Venice was founding as early as 421 AD. The history of Venice starts from the Celtic people called Veneti who dwelled along the coastline of modern-day northeast Italy. They had been Roman citizens since 49 BC, but then Attila the Hun invaded Italy in 453 AD, terrorized some Veneti, fled to the Lagoon Islands where they built a village and formed a liberated federation. Venice stood as the player capital of Europe back in 1720s. All kind of vices could freely entertain the city as long as they boosted tourism. The city became a mandatory grand tour stop when men, mostly English, traveled. Among the famous attractions are gambling houses, beautiful courtesans, and the famous carnival. The first ever air raid in history was on August 20, 1849 and involved Venice. Austrians and pilotless balloons that bore bombs over the lovely city, while some balloons detonated as intended, others cycled back over the Austrian lines. Historically, Venice was once the capital of Veneto region. Back then, the region was the Republic of Venice, a sovereign state. It was also the maritime republic in northeastern Italy. However, it only existed from the 7th century until the 18th. Venice city was initially built to make the lagoon fit for occupancy. The early settlers drained the lagoon areas and dug canals which they lined with spaced wooden stakes through the sand to the clay beneath. Then these stakes served as the foundation for the wooden platforms and stone upon where the old and new Venetian buildings stand. Venice used to operate sortitions in choosing who would take office. It means that the politicians for the government are picked through the lottery. Still, this system holds credit for the success of the city during the Middle Ages. In 2008, the population of Venice dwindled to less than 60,000. Tourism was high, but so was the rent even for the locals. Back then, the residents held a public funeral for their beloved nation. The main mode of transportation in Venice is the Vaporetto boat. This water public transport moves on the Grand Canal and could take passengers to Burano, Lido, Murano, and Torcello. Specifically, the Vaporetto Line 1 is ideal for exploring the city as it stops at every station of the Grand Canal. Exactly 391 bridges are open in Venice. These bridges connect together all the 118 islands of the city, counting the Giudecca. The correct number would be 403, which possesses a total number of 150 canals. Four major bridges cross over the Grand Canal, but one is already beginning to decay. Italian dialect.